Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power x is equals to 4 power x plus 4 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So x power x is equals to, according to exponent rule, x power m plus n is equals to x power m times x power n. So it becomes 4 power x times 4 power 4. So x power x by 4 power x is equals to 4 power 4. According to exponent rule, x power m by y power m is equals to x by y whole power m. So x by 4 whole power x is equals to 4 power 4. Now I'm going to multiply with power 1 by 4 both sides. So we can cancel out this. So x by 4 whole power x by 4 is equals to 4. So x by 4 whole power x by 4 is equals to 2 square. We can write 4. So now if we compare both sides, so x by 4 is equals to 2. The value of x is 8. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.